It's barbecue time here at Simple, and today we are making a very simple Asian barbecue recipe.
Simple, luto na
So itong recipe na to is a contribution from my friend Anthony Ang, Chef Anthony Ang. And it's like an Asian barbecue, pero with a twist kasi he's using rosemary. And the marinade is very simple. This is what you do, no? You make your marinade separately, no? What we will do, we have our soy sauce. So it's a soy-based na recipe. Sugar, minced garlic. Ginagawa na natin yung barbecue marinade natin. Calamansi juice. Ito, rosemary. But we should ground it up a little bit, no? Para lumabas talaga yung aroma niya. We will add some oil. And ito yung very important ingredient natin for today is our UFC Tamis Anghang Banana Ketchup. So I'm using around 1/4 cup of this. We will just mix everything together, no? Until it's well blended. So this recipe is part of the UFC's 50th anniversary cookbook. And alam mo naman, pag barbecue, Asian barbecue, Pinoy barbecue, we love it with our banana ketchup. So if you want a copy of this cookbook, you can download it for free on the NutriAsia website. Then you can add like black pepper. So ito siya, you can just bottle this if you want. So every time you have something to grill, you can do it. What I will do here, I will just add half of my marinade. Pag nag-grill ka kasi, di ba? Nag-grill tayo, lulutuin, titimplahan natin yung ating meat. Pero we also want na to baste it, to brush it with the sauce, di ba? Pero ang pangit kasi, ito yung sobra nating marinade dito, yun din i-brush mo, di ba? Towards the end kasi makontaminate na siya ng raw. So ito, at least if you want to serve it with the sauce, you can just let it simmer. The best for this is to marinate it ahead of time. So, dapat kahapon pa natin ito marinate. But I'm just showing you what to do, no? And let's grill, no? Let's grill our pork. Alam mo, when you speak of barbecues, alam mo, a lot of Filipino families love to eat grilled stuff. The Ang family is no different. Yan. And look at that, oh. Yung marinate ko hindi masyadong marami para when I add it here, hindi yung nagsusok ng marinade yung ating pan. No? I will just grill these pieces. Don't move it too much. Let it sear. Let the outsides of the pork brown a little bit. Kasi yung pag-brown niya really adds so much flavor. So when you're grilling, no, you're marinating and you're using fresh calamansi, you strain, you remove the seeds, ha? Kasi sometimes nag-grill tayo, may barbecue tayo, nakakain mo yung buto ng ating calamansi and mapait siya. Ito siya because our sauce, no, our marinade has sugar. You don't want it to be soaking in the marinade kasi what will happen? Madaling masunog, no? And yung ating barbecue sauce, you can just brush it like that. Look at that, no? Ganda ng ating barbecue. Even if you're in a condo, pwede mong gawin. Malit yung bahay mo, pwede mong gawin. Hindi mo kailangan magpauling. We have to let it rest for a while before we slice it and serve it into our plate. Very nice. Don't overcook your pork, ha? Dapat cook siya, but not overcook kasi hindi na siya magiging juicy. So this is what we do, no? Ito ating excess marinade. What do you want to do? We just want to cook it down. Meron tayong parang barbecue dipping sauce on the side, no? So we just let that cook and reduce for a few minutes. And I will slice my baboy. My bone. Pero before that, titikman ko. Stop! Actually, I really like this marinade. It's working for me. If you download the cookbook, hindi lang siya itong recipe na makukuha mo. You will also get 49 other recipes, no, from our contributor friends, mga kaibigan natin, mga ka-Simple, nagpadala sila ng recipes. And we all cooked it and featured it in our cookbook. And to finish, pwede natin ilipat yung ating barbecue sauce. Let's drizzle. And it's super takam. Yan ang ating recipe for today. Try it at home. Here it is, our Asian pork barbecue. Simple!